So we've been working on making plane shapes using other plane shapes. So right here we have a hexagon. What I want you to do is try and find a way to make the hexagon using the other shapes in this corner over here. So one way we could start this is by just grabbing any shape and dragging it over and seeing if it matches up. So far, if we take this, we can turn the corner a little bit and see if it matches up, but it doesn't really work. So we can take this and drag and drop over here, and it doesn't work out that well. So another way that we could try this is by taking this shape over here. This is called a trapezoid. I can take the trapezoid and I can match it up to the top, and it looks pretty perfect to me. So I'm going to take another trapezoid, and it doesn't quite match up. So what I need to do is rotate it all the way around, and then it matches up, and I've got another hexagon made with two trapezoids. Another way that we can make this is by using some of our smaller shapes over here. We've got a rhombus, and I'm going to match it up to the corners here, and I'm going to look and see, well, what else do I need to make this shape? Looking over here, I see a triangle, but it doesn't quite look like it would match up even if I rotated it a little bit. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it back. I've got a regular equilateral triangle over here, which means all the sides are the same. I'm going to rotate it. It looks pretty perfect to me. So I've got a rhombus and a triangle, and that makes me one trapezoid. And we found out over here that the trapezoid, two of the trapezoids, can make a hexagon. So I'm going to make another trapezoid using these shapes, but making sure that I'm rotating it so that I have the opposite trapezoid. Taking another triangle and then filling it in so it matches up. Oops. And I've got another hexagon. Then, using your own, you could use any of these shapes to try and figure out another way you could make a hexagon. Remember, a hexagon has 6 sides, so you can experiment by using different shapes that are given over here. We also have the option of mirroring these things, so you can see that we can move these things around and it would mirror it. You can also mirror it this way. If I got rid of these things over here, and you can see I can mirror it over there. And if I wanted to take this and I wanted to turn it this way instead of grabbing 2 of them, I can put them together and I've got another 6-sided shape. So this is a way that we can use some of these shapes in our manipulatives online to help us use different shapes to create other plane shapes.